Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another vlog. I know it's been some time. We celebrate Eid and I've been a bit under the weather. I've got a cold now, as you can hear. Well, now I'm going town and I'll take you with me, so let's go. Hi guys, I came to buy a polo shirt from TK Maxx Ralph Lauren. I tried a few on, but they look nice, but there wasn't much in my vibe. So I'm going into Broadway now. You know what guys, I didn't find anything good in Broadway as well. When every clothes shop in Broadway, didn't find anything good. So now I'm going home. Peace. Assalamu alaikum guys. How are you doing? Welcome back to another vlog. So I'm going on a walk. And I thought I'll take you guys. Look at the sun. And yeah, Lincoln Park. I've gained a lot of weight these days because I've been resting. I've ordered a new exercise machine, a cross trainer. I'm gonna set that up next week, maybe on Tuesday or Wednesday. Then I'm using that 1 hour every day for a month. You can lose like 500 calories a day on it. So if you lose 2000 calories in 4 days, maybe that's like a stone. Alright guys, I'm in park now. I can barely see my phone screen because it's so sunny. So I'm show you now. I should have put some gel on, but it's alright. It's windy, cold wind, warm sun, and this is summer 2025. Chilling. There's something going on in park today. They've got the entrance blocked. They've got some more trucks blocking the way, and they've got some enterprise trucks down there. Let me show you. I've got something going on in outside Carlisle. They've got tents up and all that, all blocked off. A TV program called Antiques Roadshow that comes on BBC One. So they're selling antiques, I think, and then people come and buy it. Let me show you. Guys, I'm getting a treat for myself. So I'll show you when I've got it. Guys, I got myself a rose and they were quite low on stock. Thank God they were open. Thank God they had a good one left. The rest of them were not fresh at all. Guys, I woke up today in a good mood, guys, and I thought it's sun shining, so for the sake of the vlog, go buy a little rose, and why not vlog it? Look what's going on, guys. Antiques Roadshow. Yeah guys, all TV celebrities here are old people who buy olden day furniture and stuff, and they've got security everywhere, TV recording and all that. Hi guys, I'm nearly home. It was very cold. The sun's not that hot. It's 19 degrees, but I still sweated out. So I'm gonna get some shots of this rose, and thank God they had a good one left. They only had 6 left. 3 red ones, 1 orange one, 2 pink ones, 1 white one, and this one was the best one there. So when they get new stock next week, I'm gonna go back again. Assalamu alaikum guys, look at the weather. It's 23 degrees today, and And I just ordered some drinks because it's going to be 30 degrees on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Assalamu alaikum guys. I'm going out. I'll take you guys with me. Look at the greenery. Summer greenery. Yeah guys, this is what you call summer greenery. Just another 2 to 3 months and this is all gonna fall and it's gonna be brown. And yeah, I love cold weather. Oh, it's heat wave this week. So alhamdulillah. I felt like I wanted another rose. So when I got one, I had to walk around park, make some good shots with it. Now I'm going straight home in the vase. Alright guys, I just spent 2 hours putting together my new cross trainer and it's absolutely smooth, absolutely brilliant. Can't wait to use it when I'm back from outside. Let me show